Just one quick flight away awaits picturesque geography and a thriving nightlife of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach is a white, sanded paradise. With a seafront promenade, you can take a relaxing seaside stroll. But why spend all your time lazing on the beach? Tear up the surf and enjoy the thrill of a jet ski, or explore the waters on a pedalo. For anyone feeling really adventurous, take a peek at the big beautiful world below us, with some of the best scuba diving in the world. Of course, the nearby attractions are a must-see. So go on and treat yourself to a little fun in the sun.